Another suspected dengue death leaves St. Anne family in mourning, but also blaming the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. We'll tell you why. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, boycott. Opposition councillors at no-show at Health Ministry's dengue road tour in Portmore on Thursday. The mayor still calling for a one-on-one meeting with the minister. Headless body found in Central Village, the latest in a string of murders which now has police keeping a close watch on the community. And overseas, Jamaican man sentenced to almost 6 years imprisonment by a U.S. district judge in Washington for extortion. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail after the break.